I'll make this short and sweet, but I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for coming out. We're so thankful to have you all here, and we couldn't imagine any other way. Let's party. Dear Kayla, 1,461 days ago, time stood still. In one moment, I spent an eternity lost in your eyes. Over the years, you saved the lives of many, but I will always consider myself to be your first patient. On this day 4 years ago, you truly saved my life and became my reason for reason.
I'm very excited. No nerves. Really relaxed.
Hi. Hi.
Okay,
I don't know, am I allowed to kiss him? Okay.
we make the rules.
From our day forward, we continued fearlessly testing fate, knowing that everything happens for a reason. This is the true meaning behind living life to the fullest, so I snuggle up, Buttercup, because officially as of today, you are my lover forever. Love, Austin.
On behalf of Austin and Kayla, I would like to thank each of you for attending this wedding celebration. You are indeed participating in one of the happiest moments of their lives. For Austin and Kayla, your very presence here as family and honored guests not only heightens the beauty of this moment for them, but it also completes it. What God has joined together, let not man put asunder. Amen. You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please stand with me together? Please stand as I have the privilege to introduce to you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Adams. Let's hear it for them.
Dropped up on a boardwalk on the hood of my car, parked up by the beach, we're catching shooting stars.